Well, we've made it!
We're back!
So, we're here actually at the actual gala tonight, not just the Muggles Market, and we're in costume, not actually costumes that go together. I'm Skipper Matt, tour guide on the Jungle Cruise ride.
And I am generic Victorian Abbey.
Not generic, you are gorgeous, beautiful Victorian Abbey.
Thank you very much.
So, first things first, now that we're here, we're going to go check out the acts, we're going to go check out the raffle baskets.
Get some food.
Get some food. But first, alcohol.
Yes, I want my drink to fight itself. My drink must do battle with itself, so that the greatest alcohol wins.
I'll just cut in that sound clip. Hello, there you go. See, now you can wave. Because that was the back of the camera. Joe, you're going to share this video once it's all edited, right?
Yes, absolutely.
See? Thank you. She's awesome. Oh, what? Are you ducking, Carol? What are you doing? What? No?
No.
We'll edit that out. We won't edit that out. Absolutely, we want to get our picture taken. All right, so yes, every year there's a photo.
Inception photo.
Exactly. Well, we'll do them. Whoop. Sorry, go ahead. All right. You look beautiful as always, honey. I mean, you never not look beautiful, let's be honest. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Suck it in a little more. Okay. Good. Okay, we're good. All right.
I really love the costumes.
Yeah, they're really good this year.
Yes.
I gotta say, people stepped up their cosplay game here.
They really have.
You gotta hold it up like this so that we can both see us.
I have T-Rex arms.
It's on the end of a stick that can be adjusted in height. Yeah, here.
In my reach.
Oh,
In my reach.
yeah, you can at least tilt it this way so I'm in it too.
Tilt it? I'm tilting it.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yes.
Is that good?
Yeah, see, because I'm in it more now.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's
you like
good.
That? You like
I do like that. So the print that I bought earlier today that I showed on camera, this is the guy who made it. He's also the host for tonight. This is Rich. No, this is Rich Siegfried. He is awesome, and he's a great host and a great tiki stormtrooper artist apparently too, which I did not know. That was fantastic.
Yeah, that was just something that was floating around in my head, and I had to actually do it. And I have a whole bunch of artwork at imadeanart.com, and Carol was just like, "You gotta just put some art in the art show." It's like, I don't know. I mean, because I do it for myself. I don't really think that anybody would want any of it.
No,
so.
I walked in and that was literally the first thing I saw right in the middle, and I'm like, I'm buying that one. I didn't even know it was you. I just saw it. I was like, I need to buy that right there, and I did.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you for making it.
And by the way, it is named Tiki 421. That's the name of that piece.
421.
Exactly. I had originally called it just TK 421 because that's the designation of a stormtrooper. And a friend of mine was like, "No, dude, you gotta call it Tiki." And I'm like, "Oh, why did I do that?"
have to, right?
Exactly.
I mean, yeah,
so it's kind of a collaborative effort on that.
Oh, that's excellent.
I love Tiki art and whatnot, and I wanted to challenge myself into making something like that. And I was super stoked that it came out well, and I'm glad that you like it.
Yes, it'll go up on our wall. We have our own. We have a tiki barter house. It's called Ervin's Enchanted Tikiland, and it's full of cool, nerdy tiki stuff.
Thank you for having me on. By the way,
Thank
here
you
at
for
the Geek
being
Gala.
on.
I am Richie Munster. I am part of the Boomstick Burlesque, which is debuting right here at the Geek Gala this year. And it's also a show that we will be bringing to conventions all over North Carolina and Virginia, any place that'll have us.
Oh, that sounds fantastic. Oh, and bunny ears.
Of course.
It was the force, not the spirits.
The Force.
Oh, yes.
I'm glad you guys are having fun.
It is amazing.
All right, so we have Dr. Krieger here.
Oh, Kratos on.
With his girlfriend. Wait, turn her. We can't see her. There she is.
She's shy.
Aww. With his anime idol girlfriend. Well, as you can see, we're all having a great time here tonight. Are you having a good time, honey?
Fantastic time.
You're having a fantastic time. The Jedi are having a fantastic time. The mad scientists are having a fantastic time. So, everyone.
Oh, we gotta check out the raffle situation.
Yes, we put a lot of raffle tickets in there. So,
Sorry, let me straighten my horns on my pretty princess hat.
there you go. Oh, I like that. They look, actually, they kind of look like jumbo shrimp.
Let me straighten the jumbo shrimp on my pretty princess hat.
It is a very pretty hat. It's got the Charlotte crown on it, too.
You know, alright, so I keep getting told this is a Queen City hat.
Yeah.
I bought this in White Trash, Indiana. Portland, Indiana. I bought it because it was a princess hat, alright? This is my pretty princess hat. I'm a pretty princess.
You are.
Y'all can think it's Queen City all you want. I don't care. That's great. But you're not denigrating my princesshood.
Absolutely not.
Just saying.
No, what I'm saying is that a hat like that has extra points, extra power here in Charlotte because of it looks so much like our emblem.
For some reason, they find it more masculine here than
It is. We're very masculine about our Queen City emblem.
the most masculine queen. No, that came out.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
That came out.
You're the
It's right
most
or wrong.
manly princess.
I am a manly princess.
Very manly
Still
princess.
pretty. I've got the most epic goatee any princess ever has had.
That's right. I mean, look, who's to say that a princess can't have a goatee now? Who's to
Not
say
me.
that a princess has to be a woman?
Not me.
Exactly, not me either. You do you, man. You do you, baby.
I'm doing me. Wait.
Wait a minute.
That's like
You beat you.
Rorschach could have proof.
Mikey Mason, comedy, geek, rock, legend.
No, she got
Yeah!
All right, to the raffles.
To the Raffles! Wait, the Raffles Hotel in Singapore?
Yeah, I heard you singing about her.
Okay, no, maybe not. All right.
No hopes up because we never win.
Never win these things.
BB-8 serving set.
I didn't even know it existed.
BB-8 serving set. I want to hug it.
For $40, there we go. Thank you very much for bringing props into it. I like it here. Thank you. $50 going once. $50 going twice. Funny thing is, she's going to sell one of them for $40 later. $50 to Ethel right there.
Alright, so that is it.
So we had a fantastic time.
Oh my god, we had so much fun.
So much surprises. Like Luke and Shelby were here.
Yes, I actually, Luke's manning the camera for us right now.
Yes.
Thanks.
We haven't gotten them on camera yet.
No.
Like Luke turned the camera around.
Say hi.
Say hi.
But no, it was awesome. We got an auction item. We won this. Look at this guy. We got a huge BB-8. It's like a life-size BB-8 plush toy. What is that? That's crazy.
And for once, we actually won a raffle basket.
We won a raffle basket.
We won something.
We won a bunch of Star Wars stuff. We got action figures and pint glasses and a toy lightsaber. And I don't even know. I haven't even gone through it all yet. The bag's full of stuff. The BB-8's full of stuff. We got a ton of stuff. It's awesome.
Just such a great night. Just old friends, new friends.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
So, yeah. Look at that. We had no idea what was going to happen. We bought a bunch of raffle tickets. We won an auction. And that just goes to show you that, no matter what happens.
Just roll with it.
Up every morning just to keep a job. I gotta fight my way through the hustling mob. Sounds of the city pounding in my brain while another day goes down the drain. But it's a 5 o'clock world when the whistle